Hey everyone! Today we're taking this tiny computer, the Raspberry Pi, and giving it a huge challenge, teaching it to play Space Invaders all by itself. Raspberry Pi 5 small but mighty. The Raspberry Pi is small, affordable, and surprisingly powerful. You can run servers, smart home projects, or even train artificial intelligence models. That's exactly what we're doing today. Our mission. Can this little board train an AI agent to master one of the most iconic games of all time? Let's write some code. At first, our agent is, well, terrible. It crashes, misses every shot, and gets eliminated in seconds. But with reinforcement learning, it slowly starts to figure things out. Every reward, every mistake, helps it get a little better. And here it is, our AI in action. No human controls, just a Raspberry Pi trained agent making decisions in real time. From this tiny board to a classic arcade legend, we've proven that AI can learn to game, even on a Raspberry Pi. Pretty amazing, right? If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your ideas for the next AI challenge in the comments. Until next time, game on!